Welcome this video front of house landscape idea with rock transforming the front of your house with rock landscape can create an elegant double and low main entrance outdoor space whether you are aiming for a contemporary look or natural feel or a sticky modern appear rock landscape often versatile and like other explored various ideas to inspire your front yard transforming with rock benefit of rock landscape before divided into sub idea. It's enhanced to understanding where rock landscape is a popular choice. Low main entrance rock recast minimize upkeep comfort to glass and plant. Those need from water move from fail. Durability rock with withstand are weather considered and do not during out time mark theme or long last choice aesthetic appear rock can have various shape and size and color often endly possibility from create a various appear design idea for rock landscape rock gardening rock gardening can add a touch of some to your front yard. This landscape idea innovation, staging plan, quest of different size and type to create a natural sound element you can combine so rock with different plant like sunshine or air plants to enhance the aesthetic type use a maximize of smart and long rock to create a deep and interior incorporating the grow bed from a clean finish look. Add a smart water functional like fountain in introducing a smooth sound for water. Rock part away. Create part away with rock can guest visitor to your front door while add a charm element to your landscape. You can use step stone or a fast stone to create those plant type interest to part and wide element from comfortable use edge stone to keep growing part away. Convenient with grow cover plants or much soon sub and elegant rock and wall board. Rock wall and board can different style within your landscape. Provide essentially a various interior. Those functional can range from smart longboard area, flower bed and long retreat wall. Use natural stone for a rustic look or can stone from a more published pair. Plants trend plants or flower it that base of the wall and soft would look. Popular dwells retreat wall or provide water bed. Much rock mulch replace traditional mulch with rock mulch can be give a garnic bed to clean modern look or mulch are available in various color and size allow you can make it to your home interior and other landscape. Choose rock can that complement the color of your plants and house. Lost down landscape fiber before add a rock to provide weight growing use much rock from a more refined look or long one of the above statement cast rock bed. The term rock bed it is a create away too much water run off file add a various appear element to your front yard. This function a material sticky bed use river rock plant board type design the rock bed to follow the natural storm to your rock, incorporating long build or simple the look of natural rock. Add growing and plants over the edge for a more rock appear. Conclusion: river rock often are style. Low maintenance soil from enhance the front of your home, whether your preference a natural look and modern design or something in that those are rock landscape idea to sub your style by careful style the river rock and incorporated complement plants and functional you can create a sticky